Hello and welcome to another Grooveworks video. I'm Kieran Kuskopf and today we're having a look at the single stroke 4, which looks like this. So this is another really simple rudiment. It's part of the single stroke rudiments, which means that we're just alternating our hands. And the pattern is only 4 strokes long, so we've either got right, left, or left, right. Now for the rhythm of this one, we're using a triplet of 16th notes plus an 8th note, or a triplet of semiquavers plus a quaver. And if you have no idea what that means, basically, if you had a pulse, say, if I had a pulse on my foot right here, you're going to start the rudiment on one pulse and end it on the next pulse, like this. So that's how you would practice that one back to back. Now, hopefully by this point you've already mastered this single stroke roll, and you want to kind of apply the same ideas to this rudiment as well. So you want your rhythm to be perfectly even. You don't want to be galloping. And you want your dynamics to be even as well. So make sure your dominant hand isn't overpowering your less dominant hand. Once you've got that though, this rudiment's all about speed. Like, you should be able to get pretty damn quick with this one, and it's a lot of fun too. So put some work into it, and applying it on the drum kit sounds so slick and can be very impressive. But we'll leave this one there, and I'll see you next time for another video.